Throughout the school year, there have been many changes made to keep the school safe and organized, one of which includes a new bathroom procedure, where students are required to scan out of their classrooms and take a specific colored lanyard as a pass that associates with the floor level that they are on.
However, the procedure has sparked controversy and has been met with disapproval amongst Schaumburg High School students.
I think it definitely helps keep track of students, but I also feel it's very invasive, and it's basically the school saying they don't trust us.
It spreads bacteria, which isn't necessarily good.
We sat down with Assistant Principal Mrs. Letzel to clarify the rationale behind the new bathroom procedure.
We worked together as an intervention team to develop the new procedure for two reasons. One was to maximize or increase instructional time. We wanted to keep students closest to their classroom so that they could be in their seats learning. The other was certainly to decrease vandalism and any other undesirable behavior occurring in the hallways or restrooms.
The biggest question surrounding the new bathroom procedure is its ability to address all students' needs, regardless of sex, gender, or identity.
There are non-binary students who prefer to use the individual use bathrooms, which are located on the bottom floor. But if they have a lanyard that is orange or something and it's supposed to be on the second floor, it's kind of hard to get there without being stopped.
Amidst these concerns, Letzel stressed the flexibility of the procedure and the opportunity to find safe and comfortable solutions.
So, as always, if any student doesn't feel comfortable at any time for any reason, we would encourage them to come stop by the intervention office to talk to us, because we can certainly work through it together.
On the successes of the new procedure, Letzel had this to say.
I would say to date it's been effective. While I don't have the numbers in front of me, I can tell you that we've seen a decrease in vandalism. And also, there hasn't been a need for administrative presence in the restrooms. We were getting called there pretty frequently before implementing this new procedure, and we've seen that drastically decline.
For the Berg News, I'm Ryan.
I'm Anna.
I'm Eric.
And I'm Nora.